In this video, we show you exactly how to install Menyoo 2.0 for GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Menyoo is one of the best mod menu in GTA 5. It lets you spawn cars, change the weather, and unlock tons of cool abilities. But for now, Menyoo only works on GTA 5 Legacy. And also, this only works in story mode, so never try it on GTA Online or you could get banned. Alright, so first let's download Menyoo. Open up your browser and go to gta5mods.com. I'll put the link in the description, and once you're here, just click the download button and then click download again. Save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Hit save and the download should start. Next up, let's get Scribbook V. This one is essential for mods to actually run in GTA 5. So you can go to this website here, and once you're here, click the blue download link and it will start downloading. When you finish downloading, you should have two zip files, the Menyoo zip file and also the Scribbook V. Now to install it, you'll need to get into your GTA 5 install folder. You can go to these paths depending on your game's launcher. Alright, before installing, you'll want to extract both zip files. So right click on Menyoo zip file and select extract all. Hit extract and you'll have it in a folder. Do the same for Scribbook V. Right click, extract all, and hit extract. After you extracted both, you can delete the zip file to save space. Alright, now let's install Scribbook V. Open the Scribbook V folder, then go to the bin folder inside it. Here, what we need is Scribbook V, the input 8, and X input. So to install it, you need to put these files into your GTA 5 installation folder. So let's go ahead and do that. Drag and drop it all three files into your GTA 5 folders. Alright, let's go back and we can install Menyoo 2.0. Let's open the extracted Menyoo folder. Here, what we need is Menyoo.asi and Menyoo stuff folder. Now, just like before, just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 installation folder. And everything is done. Before you launch GTA 5 on Rockstar Games Launcher, hop into settings and uncheck BattleEye before you start the game, so you're not going into GTA Online and risk getting banned. Alright, now inside GTA 5, you can press F8 on your keyboard to pull up the Menyoo menu. And there we go. Now you can use all of Menyoo features. And that's it.